C7 to pick something up for the C5. Alright, so here's the pickup from Evasive. 340mm Renown steering wheel. Yellow stitching. This is the steering wheel that's going to replace. So what I had was this 350mm deep corn Nardi steering wheel. And with the way I have my setup, I have the quick release and the Corvette needs an adapter. So with the quick release adapter and the deep corn, it was just really deep forward, right? So this dish is really deep compared to this one. It's actually a lot more flat. The yellow on the steering wheel is going to complement the yellow status seat so well too. Here's a direct look at the two steering wheels next to each other. Don't worry, this is rubber flooring. There we go, Sunny Angel is transferred as well. Now we are good to go. Boom. Oh, this is so much better in the car. Space relative to me, it is a little bit less deep too. Look at the complement to the yellow. That looks so good. Truth be told, I don't even like this car with the top off. It doesn't funnel air the way a convertible actually does versus the C7. The C7 top off is way better, but we're here in this beautiful area. We might as well get some top off footage. This flattens out well. Hopefully that doesn't block too much of the view. I know I said we're grip driving today, but who would I be if I didn't try to break in a few donuts or two as we go into the run. This steering wheel really completes that driving experience. And I don't even know if you can hear me over the wind noise, but like I've mentioned, this heel toe pedal box is just so good. Oh yeah, I got the Corvette horn button in here too since the last time I recorded. It's an eBay horn button, so nothing crazy, but it did take some finesse to get it to fit. My friend David helped me wire it and fit it, so big shout out to David. And guess what? The horn works. Listen to this. Aftermarket Corvette horn button in this. It's just so perfect for the car, and the horn works, so you can't be mad about that. All right, we'll wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along with the C5 and whatever else we want to do on this channel. I'll see you guys next time.